Hello there! Welcome to Mrs. Mice's Math Virtual Classroom. So today, we will discuss about Introduction to Sets. Directions. In the following collection of objects, find the one that is out of place. Number 1, carabao, chicken, cow, pig, goat. So which one is out of place? The answer is chicken. Because carabao, cow, pig, and goat have 4 legs. Next, number 2. Tricycle, car, bus, kalesa, airplane. Okay, the answer is kalesa. Because the other are kind of transport that uses gas. Number 3. Quadrilateral, square, rectangle, rhombus, pentagon. So which one is out of place? The answer is pentagon. Because quadrilateral, square, rectangle, and rhombus are 4-sided polygons. Next, number 4, 2, 12, 11, 24, 30. The answer is 11. Because only 11 is the odd number. Number 5, 0.5, 1 half, 1.5, 50%. Which one is out of place? The answer is 1.5. Because 0.5, 1 half, and 50% have the same value. Look at the objects below. T-shirt, ball, toy car, cow, cup, orange, avocado, doll, blouse, mango, dog, teddy bear, pig, pineapple. How can you group the objects? Okay, so maybe you would think of dog, pig, and cow. So you will group it so they are animals. Next, orange, avocado, mango, pineapple. So these are fruits. So set of fruits. Next, ball, toy car, doll, and teddy bear. So these are toys or set of toys. So we can group them according to their characteristics or use. So it is definitely common for us to use the concept of set in everyday experience. So set. A set is intuitively defined as a collection of well-defined objects. These objects are called the elements or members of the set that share a common characteristic. So the following conventions are used with sets. So capital letters are used to denote set or used to name a set. Then lowercase letters are used to denote the elements of the set. Elements can only be written once, separated by commas, and are enclosed by curly braces. So let us have the following. So the following are ways to describe a set. Then these are, number 1 is by verbal description method. So it is a method describing a set in words. So examples, number 1. Set A is the set of counting numbers less than 5. So when we say verbal description method, so we use words or sentence. So it starts with capital letter and it ends with a period. So it has a complete thought. Number 2. Set B is the set of letters in the word Philippines. Number 3, set C is a set of positive multiples of 5. So with these examples 1, 2, and 3, so we will write them in 3 ways to describe the set. So number 2, by roster notation or listing method. So the word is listing. So it is a method describing a set by listing each element of the set. So inside the symbol, so that curly braces. So in listing the elements of the set, so each distinct element once, and the order of the elements doesn't matter. Examples. So let us go back to the 3 examples that we have earlier. So number 1, set A is the set of counting numbers less than 5. So it is in verbal description method. So we will write it in roster or listing. So we will use A. So capital letter in naming a set. So set A. So A is, so that is equal sign. Then the elements are enclosed by curly braces. So counting numbers less than 5. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 5 is not included because it is counting number because of the word less than. So again, in roster notation, so we use capital letter in naming a set. We have equal sign, then the elements are enclosed by the curly braces. So we will read it as set A is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, example number 2. So set B is the set of letters in the word Philippines. So we use capital letter in naming, so B is, so equal sign, then braces, letters in the word Philippines. So it has letter P, then H, I, L. So the other I, so this I, so we will not write it because we can only write each element once. So we already have I. Next, P. So we already have P. So we will not write it again. Then N, E, then last one is S. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 letters. Okay, so 7 elements. So set B is PHILNES. So that is by roster notation. Don't forget to write the enclosed curly brace. Okay, next, number 3. So given. Set C is the set of positive multiples of 5. So number 3. So capital letter, so C. The name of the set is equal sign. So positive multiples of 5. So positive, so we will start with 5. Then 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, and so on. So instead of writing all of those numbers, so we will use the ellipses. So these 3 dots. So note, the 3 dots, so that 3 dots is called ellipses to indicate that there are elements in the set that have not written down. Okay, so did you get that? Instead of writing all the numbers and ending multiples of 5, so we just use these ellipses. Okay, last one. So the set builder method. Set builder method is a method that lists the rule. So rules that determine whether an object is an element of the set rather than the actual elements. examples. I will still use the 3 examples that we have. So set A. So set A is the set of all x such that, so this bar is such that x is a counting number less than 5. So this is the rule. So let us say 1. So 1 is a counting number less than 5. So it is true. Then 2 is a counting number less than 5. So when you substitute that 1, 2, 3, 4, it will satisfy the given rule. Next, number 2. So read as set A is the set of all x such that x is a counting number less than 5. Okay, number 2. So set B is the set of all x such that x is a letter in the word Philippines. Then number 3. C is x such that x is a positive multiple of 5. Okay, so let us try. Number 1, distinct letters of the word happiness. So we will name it as set A. So verbal description method, so we use sentence or it is in sentence form. Roster or listing method, you just list all the elements. Then letter C, set builder, or you will just give the rule or rule method. So set A is the set of, based on the given, distinct letters in the word happiness. So that is the answer for letter A. Letter B, roster. So we use A for naming the set. Is, so equal sign, then open brace. So letters, so we have H, A, P. So we will write it once, then I, N, E, S. So that is roster method. Letter C, set builder or rule method. So A, set A is the set of all x such that x is a distinct letter in the word happiness. Then close brace. So that is set builder notation. Number 2. Colors of the rainbow. So we will use it for set B. So verbal description method. So we use words. So set B is a set of colors of the rainbow. So it ends with period. Letter B, the roster or listing method. So we use capital letter. So B is, so equal sign, then open brace. Then list all the elements. So we have red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet, close brace. So again, it starts, the name is in capital letter, equal sign, open brace, and each elements are separated by commas. Next. So B is the set of all x such that x is a color of the rainbow. Then close brace. Last example. Patling Rao listed the set of all letters in the word library, as shown below. So what is wrong with the set? So P is L-I-B-R-A-R-Y. Capital letter is used to represent this set. It uses curly braces. It uses commas. The object in a set is not unique or distinct. What do you think is the answer? So what is wrong? The answer is letter D. The object in the set is not unique or distinct because of letter R. So you can only write the elements once. Okay, that will be all.